Hi guys, currently walking to the aquarium. We've got some pretty amazing news. So we had to kill like 2 hours before our aquarium showing time, and we went into REI just to check things out. And Nick and I passed by the bike section. We're like, man, it would be really awesome to have bikes out here, and like we really need some new ones anyways, because the ones that we had we like didn't take very good care of, and we're like, we're gonna do better like when we get the new ones. And we're like, fuck it, why don't we just get some bikes now? So we bought bikes. Hey you.
Hi sweetie. You have no idea how excited I am to ride bike.
Yeah?
Too excited.
Hello, hello.
Oh my god, it's recording.
Yeah, it is recording. What up, y'all? We're gonna go to the Botanical Gardens today. But we're at Panera first so we can get some snackies. Then head over there, get some cool pictures, get some cool videos, maybe stop at a bar and get a beer. We shall see. Oh, and we look super cute. Look at my handsome husband. Ooh, yeah. We're over here just looking super cute. Super cute. Alrighty, here we go. Off on our adventure. Our appointment is at 1, or that's like our scheduled ticket time that we bought. It's like 12:51 right now, so we got a little bit of time. Super sunny out today. Not too hot, not too cold. Perfect temp. Great, you're set.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thanks. We're in. So, what are you feeling about the rest of our day, sweetheart? What should we do?
I don't know. I guess we go get some food and beers and then go back to the house and relax, edit photos.
Alright.
Do some posting.
Sounds good to me. Bye-bye. Alright. That is it. We've seen pretty much everything.
Pretty much had it all.
I pretty much had it all. And now we're gonna go get some grubbins.
Hell yeah.
We have made it to our destination. Sorry, I'm looking for the name because I forgot what it was. It is called the Lowdown Brewery and Kitchen. It looks like they have outside seating. The pictures look pretty cool. It looks very, very vibey, very chill. And they had pizza, so you know, it was a given. We had to come. Nick's messing with some of his camera settings. We got some drinks ordered and an appetizer. I got a sour beer. What's it called? I got the Peach Around sour beer. Cheers. Ooh, that's very good. And then I think we're gonna do the build your own pizza. We're gonna do a barbecue, chicken, jalapeno, and bacon pizza.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.